Oh my gosh, guys, I am pissed right now. I'm really pissed right now. I missed this spike. I missed this very long spike because a neighbor knocked on my door this early. Why would someone knock on my door this early, guys? I missed this spike because I was trying to attend to someone who was at the door. So this is me trying to catch it back. So I've entered the trade here at this level. Let me show you guys. I've entered here. I've entered the sell here. I'm hoping to catch the spike um before after a couple of candlesticks here. I'm hoping to catch another spike. um don't do this, guys. Don't do this. I'm just doing this because for the sake of this video. If you miss a spike, please be patient and wait for another trading opportunity, guys. Don't do this. It's very dangerous, guys. It's very dangerous. I'm just taking the risk because I know my account. I know I can take a loss. Now I can take some certain level of loss and I'll still be fine. So don't do this, guys. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys how this strategy works. It's very important that you know every strategy that I know, because I want us to grow together, guys. I love everybody here, everybody who is viewing and engaging, guys. I love all of you. I want everyone to grow as much as I want to grow. So I promise to be bringing back-to-back strategies on how to maximize your profit, or how to help you maximize your profit, guys. And that is what I'm gonna do. That is what I am going to do, guys. I'll keep updating you guys as much as possible. So like I always say, it's very important for you to know price action. That's the first thing first. It's very important for you to know, um okay, someone came to me yesterday. I was going to say this yesterday. Someone came to me yesterday and complained about way too many losses, guys. Please don't take signals blindly from anybody. Don't take it, even if it comes from me, guys. It's very important that you know price action. When I give you a signal, when I tell you when I tell you when to buy or when to sell, please do check it up before you enter the trade. Do check it up, and you need to actually understand why I made that decision. I won't have the time to tell you. I'll just tell you to go enter a trade, but you need to understand why you enter that trade, guys. You need to understand why you enter that trade. So you need to know price action. You can learn price action. Is very, I don't know how people get to make it seem so difficult. It's not as difficult as people make it seem. Okay, I'm gonna drop my direct number, my WhatsApp number on the description of this post, so you can chat me up if you want me to guide you, guys. Okay, we got a spike. That's it. We got a spike. So this is profitable right now. So I'm gonna hurriedly close this trade because that was me revenging. I was just trying to catch a couple of profit. I was trying to catch a couple of profit that I missed because of my neighbor. So that's, excuse me. So having done that, I've closed the trade. I entered this trade because I know the trend. Okay, I know the trend. I missed the spikes I was targeting here. Like I said earlier, I missed them here, but I still entered because I knew something was going to happen. I know price. I have checked the market structure. I am very sure of what is going on, and I took the risk and I entered. Okay, that is because I have analyzed the market. I have checked it out. I'm not only depending on these indicators. Of course, the indicators are good. The setup are good. I'm going to show you guys the setup soon. But I'm not only depending on that, guys. I had to take my time to, check the market, know what is going on. I can actually still enter right now and catch more spikes because I know the trend. I know the support and resistance zones. I have analyzed it already. I have seen all of that. So it's very important for you guys to know this stuff. It's very important for you guys to know this stuff. It's very important for you guys to know this stuff. So I urge you to, you just, someone, I was saying, guys, someone lost a lot of money, blew out over $1,000 yesterday and showed me. And please don't enter trades blindly. Don't enter trades blindly. No matter who gives you the signals, try to know price action so that you can know why that person made that decision. If it doesn't sit right with you, you can, let it be. There are other opportunities, guys. There are several opportunities. So don't blow your account with just one signal or one or two or three signals that you got from somebody who had not taken the time to explain to you guys why they made that trading decision and all of that. So please learn price action. Come to my WhatsApp. I'm going to drop my WhatsApp link, my direct number. You'll be talking to me directly, guys, with your challenges. Bring your challenges, bring any questions, bring anything that you want me to help you with, and I'm ready to help you guys. I'm willing to help you guys, because I want to see you guys grow. I want everybody to grow. I want all of us to grow together, guys. Thank you very much for the engagement so far. The channel is growing fast. It's a new channel, but it's growing very fast, and I appreciate that, guys. So I'm going to go straight. I'll be quick. I'll show you guys how I got that spike, how I made that profit, and why I made those trading decisions. So stay tuned. Subscribe to this channel. Do very well to subscribe. It's very important for you to subscribe. If you have not done that already, please do that. Subscribe so that you'll be notified when I post something else. It's very important. I want you guys to know these stuffs. These stuffs are very simple. These stuffs are very simple. Don't blow your account out because of signals that you don't have an idea why the person, made the decision. So learn price action. Learn price action. I will always say that. Learn price action. Learn price action. It's very important. Learn price action. Okay. I am actually running my mentorship program. You can indulge, you can engage, you can involve yourself. You can learn. It's very affordable. You can learn price action within a couple of days or weeks, depending on you. So let's go straight to it, guys. So like why I took the trade here was because my indicators are very powerful, guys. My indicator setups are very powerful. Even when they are very powerful, I still had to apply price action. What did I do first? I go first of all to, this is crash 1000, right? So I first of all try to understand the market structure. Know where my support and resistance are, nowhere. And obviously you can see that we are in a powerful downtrend, a very strong one at that, a very strong downtrend. So this alone gives me that conviction that the market is going to be spiking down. Okay, it's going to be spiking down. Even when I missed the opportunity here, all right, I still entered here and caught this spike because this is a downtrend first of all. So the spikes will be going to the downside. So what are we saying? So yeah, that's not enough. Okay, the indicators are powerful too. Yeah, so what do you do? How do you know when to actually enter a particular trade? Right, you go straight to your indicator window. All right, you see the green line here. You monitor it. This is for crash. You monitor it. As soon as it comes to this level, the 90 and 80 level, as soon as it crosses 90 and 80 level, or the 80 and 90 level, and then the green, this green line here touches the blue line here, guys, then there's going to be a spike. That is if you know the trend. Apply price action is important. If you know the trend, there's going to be a spike. If you are sure of the trend, you are going to catch a spike and make money for yourself. I really want you guys to make money, so please pay attention. Let me show you how this has happened over time. Let me show you other point where this has happened. This is it. This is another one, guys. Price touched the green line here, came to this blue line, right? At this level, check the level. You see the level 80.6, 80.89, yeah. And then you saw the spike going on. You see the spikes around this axis. You could catch multiple spikes. Because the trend is in your favor. Look at another example. This is another great spike. I caught this spike. This is another one. And the conditions were met. Look at it. See, price came to this level and then the spike happened. Boom, to the downside. So I'm going to keep this video very short. I don't want it to be long. I don't want to bore you guys with plenty stories, but you can see how the profit is being made every day. You can make as much profit. You can make as much as $500, $1,000. It all depends on how much time you have to sit down and monitor your charts and all of that. Okay, so if you notice, guys, let me show you this thing. If you notice, you see where this green line crosses the blue line, but not at this level, and then you tend to still see some spikes. Do not let that tempt you, guys. Don't be tempted. Don't be tempted. This market this game is a game of patience, guys. You need to be very patient. Okay, don't be tempted to, because you've seen the spike happen at levels that are not at the resistance level, and then you feel like soon as the line crosses and touches the blue or the other line here, you will be able to catch a spike. Please don't do that to yourself. Don't do that to yourself. Of course, if you know price action, you know why you shouldn't do that, why you shouldn't enter trades blindly, right? So I'm going to just keep showing you other examples. I'll keep showing you guys other examples. This is another one. This spike here, this spike from this level, boom, to this level, boom. This is it. This crash here, this spike here, down to this level. You know how much you make from this trade? A lot of money, guys, a lot of money. So that happened because the market came to this level, right? It came to that level. Market came to that level, so the spike happened. Okay, you see here, you see this level, you see there's a spike, excuse me, right? There's a, oh my god, excuse me, sorry about that. There's a spike at this level. Soon as this green line crossed here, crossed the blue line, a spike happened. That's what I'm talking about. A spike happened here, but it's not at your area of interest, right? It's not at that point. So why do you want to risk it? It's not proper. Don't risk it, guys. Don't do that. Don't do that. You need confirmations. You need several confirmations, to solidify your trading decision, right? To cement your trading decision. So why do you want to go against your trading decision, your plan, right? It's very wrong. Don't be tempted. Don't be tempted. Always allow the market to come to you. Always allow the market to come to you before you make any decision. So this is another perfect example of when you should enter. See, the market came to this level, and then the spike happened here. A very long one at that. You can make much money. You can make a lot of money. Of course, I want you to make a lot of money. That's the essence of doing the stuff I'm doing here. I'm doing it because I love you guys, and I want you guys to make money. I want you guys to make money. This is how I make money, guys. I don't sweat. It's just very simple. Price action with powerful indicators, and I'm making a lot of money, guys. I'm making a lot of money. See, this is another example. Market came here, and then the spike happened. Guys. You see, make a lot of money. This is very simple. So don't blow your account trading signals blindly. Study price action, understand it. I'm here to guide you. If you have any challenges, I'm here to guide you. I'm here to mentor you till you are good enough to be on your own, guys. So subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification bell so that you'll see videos soon as I post them. Drop good reviews. Come to my WhatsApp, come to me directly and talk to me about your challenges, whatever you are facing. Come and talk to me about it, and I'll be able to guide you. I'm also running my mentorship program. You want to learn price action, you want to know how to really make money without blowing your account. I'm here to guide you. It's very affordable. You don't need to suffer too much to learn these stuff, guys. You don't need to suffer too much to learn these stuff. In a couple of days, you become professional. If you follow up properly, you learn. If you're ready to learn, you will learn this stuff. It's very simple. It's not as hard as people make it seem. So that's it for this video. I don't want to keep it long. So I'm going to show you guys the setup now. And okay, for boom 1000, let me show you guys. For boom 1000, it is just the opposite of what you are doing in crash 1000. Okay, for boom 1000, you are waiting for the market to after you've monitored your structure, you know the market structure, you've seen where the market is headed. You are waiting for price to come to this level, to the 20 and the 10 level, to be on a very safe side, guys. Allow it to cross from the 10th level, allow it to cross from the 10th level to even down to the 5th level here, even down to the 5th level before you take a trade, and then you catch multiple spikes. All right, you catch spikes. It's just the opposite of what you do on crash 1000. So let me quickly show you guys the setup. Okay, I have a lot of newbies nowadays asking me how to add indicators. So let me show you guys. Please, if you're a newbie, watch this carefully. You see the F symbol here? That's where you click to add your indicators. So you click that. For this particular strategy, this is the indicators that we need. You don't need anything on your main chart. You need to only add stochastic oscillator. It automatically appears on your indicator window one, right? So you add that. These are the settings. Please do well to copy it, screenshot it. I don't want the video to be long. Screenshot it. Okay, let me see. Period, D period, slowing 111, low high, simple. For styles, I'm using 11 pixel. You can choose any color of your choice, but always leave this part to the color that favors your background. Mine is black, so I'm using black background. So you can screenshot this. The levels are very important, guys. The levels are very important. See the levels, they are very important. So this is it. You can choose to title the levels. I don't really want to do that right now. So please screenshot it. Once you are done, you click done. You see, click done here and you're good. All right, you check the second, you add accumulation distribution to that indicator window one. Right, these are the settings. It's not very difficult. Please just screenshot it. I don't want the video to be long. Screenshot it and run it up for yourself later. Click done when you are done, and then add the next one is envelopes. You add it. See the setup, guys. Screenshot it. Use the colors of your choice. You don't really need to use my color. Use the colors that you love. All right, but always keep it visible, guys. So after that, click done and you're good. It is very simple, guys. I really want you guys to make money, so please practice this. Possibly don't just rush into using this for your live account. Practice it with your demo first. Once you're comfortable with it, then you can go ahead and make money with your live account. You can make up to $500 a day. It's very possible, guys. It's very possible. So practice it. Come to my inbox. Tell me about it. Tell me what challenges you face, and I'll help you guys out. Also, subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already, and drop a good review for me. I want to see your opinion, guys. Tell me what you want me to do next. Your next strategy, the next strategy that you want me to work on. I will do that for you, because I love you guys and I want you guys to make money. It's very important for you guys to make money. It's my passion to see you guys make money using my strategies and telling me about it. Please always tell me about it. Always drop good reviews for me, because that will spur me to wanting to research more and to bring you guys more profitable strategies, guys. Thank you very much. The numbers are growing fast and I really appreciate it. So when we get to 100 subscribers, I have a gift for you guys.